This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Man, I'm from India. What do you think about Hyderabadiga? Hyderabadiga? No. Oh, we got a Pachinko. I'm in Ravali, I will get back to your weights. After the bonus round supplies, it's time for the Pachinko, guys. Let's go. Wow, after 10 or 12 runs, we got back to the bonus round, so let's see what we're gonna get here as the results. Would be nice today, hundreds would be nice, man, or double, 2, 3 doubles would be perfect. Right, guys, we're starting off with a 3 at 7, X and 10, it's 0, 15, 25, 35, 200, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grab it, where it is. It's over there, guys. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. You're ready? No, fuck, come on. Guys, time to drop it. You're ready. It's a perfect question, I would say. Go left side. Yes, perfect, guys. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, man, we have 100. Left side.
This is the amount of money issued, 806,229 euros.
Lovely cash. Wow. That would be nice if we get it, guys. Oh, we got a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. We made it, guys. Let's go, baby. Not TOPSLOT, but still we made it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, get inside with me, guys. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time World, guys. We have a 3 flapper here. You have to choose it, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. It's time, Marian. You can go for hello as you wish, Mr. Marian. Alright, guys, time for edition. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 3 flapper, green, blue, and yellow. You have to choose yours, guys. If you forget to choose, we'll be choosing randomly. Right. And you can expect double as well. Let's wait and see. So Matt's multi, guys. Hundreds. Let's go, please. Good luck, everyone. Let's see for biggest spin or double, guys. Oh, double for blue, 25 for yellow color, 10 for green, double for blue pliers. Well done, blue pliers. It's time to get the double spin, guys. Let's go for yes, April Loki. We got it. Let's see for Matt's money, guys. 200 max. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. All of us, guys. Let's see what we get. Maybe one more double. Who knows? Let's wait and see, ladies and gentlemen. No way, it's a double again. Isn't it amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. We got a double again, guys. Let's see for one more maximum, ladies and gentlemen. Ronaldo fans, get ready. Any Ronaldo fans, your Matt's money, 400, guys. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. All of us, guys. Joe, it's gonna be fine, Joe. Come on, man. Maybe one more double, ladies and gentlemen. Who knows? Oh, it's a double again, ladies and gentlemen. What a stupid fun, it's crazy time session, guys. We got a 3 double there. Man, I hope there'll be something bigger. Blue team, get ready. Guys, you have to make the Cristiano celebration noise. Matt's money, 800, guys. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, man. Hey, Ham, come on, man. Don't be jealous, brother. Let's see for some big win, man. You have to feel happy for others winning as well.
This is the amount of money issued, 441,058 euros.
Hundreds, ladies and gentlemen, on blue color. Congratulations to yourself for enjoy and total winners on this round. Let's wait a moment. Yes. 2,557 got a victory in the 200. 6,321 got a victory in total, guys. You're ready? That's a massive win, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, we made it 200 in crazy time in my session. 6,321 got a victory.
Dude, I'm trying. Good luck, everybody. Oh, thank you, Becca. Thank you, darling. I really do appreciate that. Let's go. Cash shot with a 2x multiplier right now. We can catch. Let's see. Can we get a Pachinko? That would be really awesome and fun. Yes. Okay. Woohoo! There we go, guys. Our first bonus round and Pachinko it is. Okay, this is awesome. So the clock is in my hand, and of course we are shining bright. Hello! Good morning. There we go. Okay, guys, let's take a look. What are we going to be having here? Okay, let's start. 3x, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 100, 200. Okay, that could be nice. That would really be nice if we catch it. Okay, guys, ready? 200x multiplier for the highest multi. Oh boy. May the force be with you. Good luck. Okay, come on, 200, please, 200.
This is the amount of money issued 785,959 euros.
Look at this beautiful thing. 7,379 winners in total. Woo! Okay, Craig, BMG, Sports 70, Kenny, and our case special comes goes to okay. That was awesome! Congratulations, everybody. Wow. Well, there we go. There we go, babies. Good luck. Let's go. I would say, all in all, the session has been lovely. We did have 2 crazy times and a coin flip with a 20x. That was really nice. Cash in with the tourists from the top side. But yeah, all in all, it was a pretty awesome session. Oh, wait a second. Our cash hunt is in the house and it has a 2x on it, players. I hope you're ready because we're doing it right now. Oh, yeah, we are. Let's go, players. Welcome to cash hunt. We made it. Let's see, what can we get in this one? So, the highest multi is a 500x, but not for long. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Yes. 1K. 1000x is what you can get. Oh, let's go, players. This session is mwah. Yummy, tasty, beautiful. Let's go. So, no, you better find that 1000x. What can I say, players? It's there. It's waiting for you. You better go get it. Hunt it down. Get it. Let's go. 1000x. Where can it be? No, it can be anywhere. I hope you can find it. I believe in you. If you cannot make this again, absolutely difficult decision, rely on Autopic. It is there for you. So, anyways, I don't want to look, but let's look.
This is the amount of money issued 169,489 euros.
My congratulations to all of you winners from this round. Enjoy your wins. This was exciting. 9,588 players. Ray Garson, top one. You got the 1000x, 22,000 or something for you. Enjoy. Okay, well, let's go. No more bags. Good luck. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful.
Let's open again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome all the new players joining Crazy Time. I hope you'll have a great session here. So, let's start spinning again, everyone. Crazy Time now with a 2x multiplier. So for the last Crazy Time it was 100 for the yellow, but I'm not sure about the other colors. Hopefully our moderator will tell us soon. Perfect, everyone. Crazy Time with a 2x. This is wonderful. Let's go. Wow, everyone, welcome back so soon. Let's multiply the multipliers by 2 from the top slot. And now place your bets on green, blue or yellow flappers. You can use auto pick if you would like. We have a double on the wheel this time. And the highest multiplier is 200.
This is the amount of money issued 70,673 euros.
We did it. We got the 200 on blue, 30 for green, 20 for yellow. Congratulations to the winners. Top winners are Euro 16, Diesel and Hill. Alright, so the top winners, like I said, are Euro 16 Diesel. Congratulations to the winners. The bets are open. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. Now, so 2 crazy times already in our session. Getting some of the higher multipliers is wonderful. Crazy time now.
Yo, congrats on being top of the list. Now place your bets. Hey, look at this, Bargos. You got it, nice. Now let's get more like that. Okay, place your bets. And once again, I want to wish you all good luck because the bets are now closed. Oh, we can smell it, We need a coin flip again. We need another good round. Oh, I've been hosting Crazy Time all day, so whew, I'm happy. Come on, give us that cash hunt now. Stop it, please. Oh, look at that cash hunt with a 2x TOPSLOT. I'll take that, thank you. Look at that. Welcome, everybody, to the cash hunt. You see the numbers? We got a 500x. Wait. We're going to double it, right? Is that going to be at 1000x? Oh, boy. 1000x is the biggest one. This is crazy. Woo. Are you ready to get that 1000? Come on, aim good, everybody. Aim good. Now, your time to pick starts right now. So pick a good one. Come on. Let's everybody get that 1000x. Imagine. I want to see you all win right now with a 1000x. Woo! That is good, right? I hope you do it. Okay, let's reveal the numbers. Where is that 1000?
This is the amount of money issued 24,709 euros.
All of the winners, 11 players got 1000x. Woo-wee! 1,374 winners. Congratulations. Zalal, ASD, Fat, Kazim, Cormans. Congratulations to all of you. Look at that. Really nice. Now place your bets, everybody. 1000x. Bets are now closed. Let's get it. Who got the 1000x, please? Tell me, I want to know. I'm interested now. 1000x. That's
Lorenzo. Lovely top win on your side. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. That's a big boy, Pachinko. That's a 15x turbo. And it's on the way. Hold up. It's in, baby. And now we are gaming, my friends. Let's go. Base from a bonus of 15x Pachinko. Yo. Let's see what's cooking on the wall though before we go crazy. Pump it up. Come on now. Pump it up. That's better. 200x. This one. Aim for that one. Puck, you hear us? That's a free game, that one. Baby. Let's go. 10 times, but the puck, we need a hero.
This is the amount of money issued 954,656 euros.
Good, my friends. That's how you do with the easy free game, baby. Happy Friday, my friends. Happy Friday. No worries. Oh. Feels good to be that good. Feels good. Oh, no, that's not a pumping, huh? Enjoy.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.